Hey guys, welcome back to APDaga's DumpBox, and this is Daga. In this video, I will show you how you can upload Python code on NodeMCU. Okay, so before that, you need to flash MicroPython firmware on this NodeMCU, and how to do that I have already mentioned in my previous video. To check that, you can click on the I button here and you will find a link for that video. So right now I have already uploaded, or I have already flashed MicroPython firmware on this NodeMCU, and you can see I have made some connections. Those connections are nothing but one LED is connected to the D5 pin through one resistor, and the negative terminal of the LED is connected to the ground pin of this NodeMCU. That's it guys. Right now let's start. So first of all, connect this NodeMCU to the computer through micro USB cable. Then you need to open IDE. So the IDE is nothing but the Explorer which we have earlier used. You can see that how to download it and install it. And once that is done, you have to select correct COM port. So since it is MacBook, the port is written in some other way, otherwise it is generally COM port. Then you have to click on open and select baud rate as 115200. Then you have to click on reset button. You can see one reset button. This is the button. You have to press on this reset button. Okay, once that is done, you need to make one change. Go to the setting and select MicroPython here, and again click on script. That's it guys. Now I will open the code which I have written. This code will blink the LED with 1 second delay. This is a very simple code. Here, to blink the external LED which is connected to the pin number D5, we will use variable pin. For built-in, there are two built-in LEDs, that is, one is connected internally to pin number 2 and another one is connected to pin number 16 internally. So I will show you how to blink external LED, that is pin, with the 1 second delay. Okay, now click on send to ESP, and you can find it here. You can see it here. See, this LED is blinking with 1 second delay. Now very simple thing, I'll show you how you can write it. Pin number 1 here, save it, and before uploading second code you have to click on reset button. So I am clicking on reset now. See, once it is we have clicked on reset, you have to click on send to ESP. Now again you can see I am blinking this built-in LED. There are two built-in LEDs. I'll show you the another one, that is pin number 2. And I'm clicking on reset button again, and I'm sending this program. Now you can see this built-in LED is blinking now. Okay, so that was very simple. I just showed you that how you can start with MicroPython. You can write any code in Python language and you can burn it on your NodeMCU and check whether it is working or not. And you have seen here that for LED connected to D5 we have used pin number 14. This is because the nomenclature are different in case of NodeMCU. You can find it here. For D5 the pin number is 14. Similarly for different these pins, respective pin numbers are given here. All this will be mentioned in my blog, and the link of the blog will be given in the description. You can refer that at any time. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, you can click on like button. If you have any doubt, you can put it in the comment box. And thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel. This is Daga signing off.